Okay, here's the radio. Let's do the, I think I've got the cassette ready to go. Let's see if it's got, it's playing. Let's see it playing. It's super low. That's the right side. You can't hear really anything out of it. And this is the left side. Alright, we're gonna stop the cassette. It records also. Let's see. Record function does work, but it's so low you can't hear anything when you play it back. So you can't hear nothing. You can hear it. Talking on there, you just can't hear it. So, and for some reason, sometimes the tape player, you have to push record and play and then shut off the record to get it to play. I don't know why it does that, but it's doing that. So let's switch it over to the radio.
Car washes. That's right. An entire month of car washes for just $1. The first month at Rhino Car Wash in Cabot and Searcy. It's the perfect holiday gift. Rhino Car Wash is dropping prices over the holidays, so you can wash your car over and over for just $1 for the entire first month. That's an entire monthly subscription for just a single dollar. Rhino Car Wash in Searcy and Cabot. Specials for new customers only. 2711 East Ray Searcy and 710 West Main Cabot.
That's the right speaker. It's almost completely off.
Mostly cloudy through this evening with just a slight rain chance earlier in the day. Winds from the west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Turn the volume down to about 3 or less.
Still very cool on Saturday with west-southwest winds at 5 to 15 miles an hour. Highs tomorrow in the lower 50s. Tomorrow night, a mostly clear, still moonlit sky with lows around 30 degrees.
Check this out.
The left speaker has plenty of power. It sounds good. Just that right speaker. That, and when you play it on cassette, for whatever reason, you can barely hear it at all. So there it is. I'm going to post it on. Let me put we'll try the microphone also. Testing. Let's see. Microphone. Volume. I'm not sure how to turn the microphone on, but I've got it plugged in. Not real sure what setting this is supposed to be on. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if there's going to be something on the back turned on. I really don't know how to operate this radio. But there it is. Radio works great. It will record a cassette and it plays a cassette, but it's fidgety. I'm sure it's going to need some work. There it is.